My name is Andrea Wilkinson, and my role is Head of Global Patient Engagement for Epilepsy and Rare Syndromes. UCB's patient engagement strategy is really focused on targeted unmet need populations. We are looking to generate new evidence around living with the disease, not just the burden of seizures, but also looking beyond at the non-seizure burdens. So before we even think about a clinical trial designed for a human, we want to make sure that we think about what it's like to live with the disease. Not just the seizure itself, but more than that, the whole experience that epilepsy has, how it impacts not just the individual, but the whole family. We have to make a conscious effort to ensure that we do have representations of color, of culture, of country, as well as of age, to ensure that we've got all voices. We want to make sure that the information about our drugs or medicines that are in development are understandable at all levels, whether we're working on a clinical trial, designing that clinical trial, or if they're on the market in the pharmacy. That the information we bring is at all levels of education. Even an 8-year-old could understand. We're also working with the communities to really bring patient experience data into publications so that it's not just UCB who benefits from what the patients have told us, but we're giving back with the community so that those learnings can really be spread beyond. I really want to encourage patients to think about getting involved in a patient advocacy organization, as well as in helping us bring this information to the community so that doctors better understand what they're living with and how they're living with it, so we can better work together to bring support programs. The communities today are really doing an extraordinary thing because patients in the end are experts in their disease. They are experts with how they live with the disease. One way that we're working with the patient community is really working on detection of seizures, investing in companies that are working on new ways to bring that detection. Another way we're investing in the digital technology is thinking about how we can bring it into our clinical trials. And so we're making sure, because we bring patients in very early now in the way we design these clinical trials, from the onset of design, we'll be getting patient feedback on whether or not this particular technology or another one would be better suited for them as patient-reported outcome opportunity. Patients today are influencing every aspect of the development process all the way through to commercialization and into the generic phases of medicines. It is the patient's voice that's changing the way medicines are being brought, and it's incredibly inspiring to learn from.